So this platform has been established by Capt.Harsha with the RAR&DD is a special division of Ravana Aviation, which was established in the year 2012 in Sri Lanka.
Hi Bhavan, Namaste, Vanakkam, Assalamu Alaikum. It's my great pleasure to welcome you, give the vision and missions of the RAR&DD. To our vision of the RAR&DD, we establish in lost ancient aviation knowledge and technology. The mission of the RAR&DD, establishing a multidisciplinary post-processual research platform. Thank you very much.
So we have here Padma Shri Dr. Prahlad Ramarao sir. He's a missile scientist. He would be joining a little while. And he's an Indian missile scientist and a former Vice Chancellor of Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. And he's a former Director of Defense Research and Development Laboratory, one of the top-notch defense research laboratories in India.
We want to work together with the Sri Lankan experts and see whether we together can understand what happened thousands of years ago. So my opinion from this conference is, can Indian scientists, Sri Lankan engineers join hands and try to see with the best of our knowledge, best of our people working together? Because India, Sri Lanka were together thousands years ago, were together as one country. So we should work together to see whether we can get back the original Vimana Shastra, which was flying in the time of Rama, how it was flying, how it was flow, what all used to happen. So I feel that this conference should arrive at a roadmap, how the two countries, the two experts can work together. This is my message.
And then we also have Madhuri Sharan, ma'am. So she has discovered and decoded some certain slokas from the Sanskrit text and also made Chumbakamani. She's currently a visiting professor at MNIT Jaipur, India.
First of all, big thanks and congratulations to all these youngsters who have started this group. And there was a time when all the ancient knowledge was dying, at least in India, because we were very much impressed by the invasion of the Westerners and the modern science only. And people of my generation always thought that these books, etc., are figment of imagination. So it's very nice to see that this is coming up and people are taking it up seriously. And the best part is that the youngsters are more interested in this. The second thing I would like to say is that you have brought India and Sri Lanka together after a long time. The other thing is that I liked here is trying to correlate UFOs and Vimanas. This is very interesting, and the efforts are really commendable, and I give my blessings and good wishes to all the organizers and people who are working, and all the great big scientists who are involved in this work. With their support, we will come up with something very nice and grow up nicely. Thank you.
Dr. A.V.S. Shastri sir, and he's a managing director who actually infused the traditional sciences with the modern technologies, and he's a well-versed Sanskrit scholar, and he's the first author to write a technical textbook on ancient aeronautics. So he has a great acclamation and a worldwide popularity. He has successfully demonstrated that reinventing the knowledge from our ancient scripts is of great use and utilization for the country, and also created some nanomaterials out of copper, iron, zinc, tin, etc. So you could see that he also has a company where he utilizes his knowledge from Sanskrit and applies them.
I am ready to give the project-wise support, knowledge support, lab. I have full established lab is here.
And later we also have Professor M.S. Prasad, sir, and he's a director for the MIT Institute of Space Science and Technology.
I really thank the advisors and organizers of this conference, especially Ravana Aviation Academy and Kavya and others for inviting me. Thank you very much.
We also have a UFO investigator, Mr. Harsha from Sri Lanka, who has been well versed in the field of ufology from the last few years, and he's also a lecturer at the Institute of Astronomy in Sri Lanka. So we have a wide panel of...
First of all, I would like to thank Ravana Aviation Research and Development Division for inviting me and SLU4 Group to join this event, and thank you Mr. Harsha for inviting me to join this event. Mr. Harsha explained us that they will collect this data to report to the international teams. I think we can give you that information to all of them.